Hey everybody, good morning, Robb. Guys, today we're talking about oatmeal hamburgers. There's a woman on YouTube named, her channel is I'm Still Working. I used to watch her channel all the time. She stopped making videos about 12 years ago, and she had a great channel for gardening, for prepping, for cooking, so many wonderful videos. But one of my favorites of hers was the one she turned me on to about the oatmeal hamburgers. And I was thinking about these last night. I haven't had these in years. So this afternoon I made some. I changed her recipe just a little bit. I added a teaspoon or more, a tablespoon of some wheat gluten. And in my little miniature food processor, I processed some carrot and onion and celery and put everything together. You mix it up and then you put it in the pan and fry it after it's been sitting for 20 minutes, absorb all the liquid from the egg. And after that, you put it in another pan with some bouillon. And after that, you put it in another pan and you get a lot of the liquid out. And the texture is very, very close to meat. So the only criticism anybody has ever had is that the flavor, because it's basically oatmeal, could use a boost. So I added the onion. Let me turn this off. And the celery and the carrot. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I'll leave her recipe in the video description along with her link. But look how that cuts. That's just like meat. I'm going to throw some ketchup on it. I was going to add some ketchup and mustard to the mix, but I forgot about it. And that's going to be hot. Let's pause it for a second. Okay, we'll let it cool. There's a nice crunch on the outside. If you didn't tell people this was not meat, it would be hard for them to guess. I forgot to mention I also put in some fennel. So if you're Italian, you'll feel at home. This does not have a flavor similar to some of the plant-based meat substitutes I've had before that tasted, well, they didn't have any meat flavor to it. This definitely has a meat flavor and it's crunchy. It's still not beef or pork, but gosh, it's very close. Oh yeah. It could have used a little bit of heat, a little bit of red pepper flakes, or maybe some powder, some paprika. The addition of the onions and the carrot and the celery was very good. This is holding together a little bit better than it usually, and I think that's partially due to the gluten, but it's not necessary for you to add gluten. It was just an experiment. So guys, check out I'm Still Working. I think her name is Linda or Lindsay. I forget. It's been years. But she's a wonderful person. But she stopped making... She's had a life. Some people have YouTube videos and channels. Not mentioning any names. And some people have a life. So she stopped making videos a long time ago. But check out her little oatmeal hamburger. Because the price of everything is going up like crazy. If you have some nice spices and some oatmeal and an egg, you can make this for yourself. And you'll be very happy. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.